Imagine a world where your most powerful workshop tools could fit right in your pocket. Welcome back to Auto Tools JN. Today, we're diving into a series of mind-blowing AI-generated tool concepts that are redefining the future of DIY. From ultra-compact chainsaws designed for ultimate precision to miniature jigsaws and high-tech drills. These designs show us how portable and stylish our gear could become. These futuristic designs are built for those who value both power and portability. Which of these futuristic designs impressed you the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy exploring the next generation of tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.